The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Lower the glove box. Unclip the frame cover. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards, and clean out any debris inside. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1205C filter into the frame with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Place the filter and the frame back into the housing. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the stoppers by matching the shape and then rotating clockwise. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.